Natural home remedies for chickenpox. Chickenpox, the highly infectious disease brought on by the varicellazoster virus, usually begins with skin rashes that become itchy blisters. Most generally present in children below 12 years old, chickenpox can anyway affect anyone of all ages. Aside from kids, women that are pregnant and those with less strong defense mechanisms make up the high-risk group for chickenpox. The easiest method to prevent chickenpox is to buy your kids vaccinated from the disease. Management of chickenpox is determined by age, personal health insurance and the seriousness of the condition. Healthy children might not require any treatment and may get better through home rest only. Baking soda. Stir 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda inside a glass water. Make use of a sofeetclean cloth to place the solution around the affected quantity of the body and let it dry. An alternative choice would be to combine 1/2 a treadmill cup of baking soda inside your bath water and absorb it. Epsom salt. Add 2 glasses of Epsom salt to warm bath water. Combine rid of it until Epsom salt dissolved completely. Soak for 15 minutes then pat dry lightly. Soak regularly before you get respite from chickenpox and its symptoms. Honey. Put it on chickenpox inside a thin layer. Leave it on half an hour and rinse with water. Continue doing this process 3 to 4 times each day.